I think this is
So
the future of how divorces are going to look in the world. People are going to be so busy and just online and on their phones, so it's going to be a necessity only. Like ये तो जरूरी हो जाएगा ना.
marrying is a different concept. This is about him just being involved, you know.
Dear husband, as you are occupied with other companions, I hereby declare our divorce. I
Hmm.
divorce you, I divorce you, I divorce you. Take care your ex-wife because it's their superiority complex is so fine-tuned into their system that they cannot. I don't think they have a personality besides having an ego. कभी कभी बेहिस इंसान से डील करने के लिए you have to be a little bit unemotional as well. Yeah.
Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Cocktail. I am Shiza and we have Amna with us. और आज हम बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात करने वाले हैं on the latest Instagram की divorce. So Amna, did you hear the princess declaring divorce on Instagram? Did you see the you know the post and so on?
Dear husband, as you are occupied with other companions, I hereby declare our divorce. I divorce you, I divorce you, I divorce you. Take care your ex-wife.
Wow, so cute.
Signing out.
Look at her.
I think this is the future of how divorces are going to look in the world. People are going to be so busy and just online and on their phone, so it's going to be a necessity only. Like ये तो जरूरी हो जाएगा ना फिर के मतलब कि तुमने इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट नहीं हुआ ये ऑफिशियल नहीं हो सकता.
ऑफिशियल नहीं हो सकता. Well, I've come across tweets जिसपे लोग ये मतलब you know they are breaking news and stuff Twitter यूज कर रहे हैं, but this is the first time मैंने Instagram देखा है, you know, being used for
that it's it's like mainstream usage for divorce and you're just like बट वो कसम से बहुत ज्यादा बिजी होते हैं तो शी इज नॉट कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग.
No, she's not. I am totally game here. लेकिन ये है कि the memes that we see coming, वो I think out of the world हो चुकी हुई हैं. This is the another you know वो जो तुम्हें याद होगा जो दननीर का था जो पार्टी हो रही है and you know वो वाला जो पूरा मीम था. I think ये उस किस्म का थोड़ा सा बनता चला जा रहा है and the fever is catching on.
Shiza, have you read this book? It's called The Princess and it's written by an actual Saudi princess. Have you read it?
I've not read completely, लेकिन मैंने पढ़ी है थोड़ी bits and pieces में पढ़ी है.
It was a really big deal when I was like really young. तो ये book ये काफी पुरानी book है, like it's very old. काफ़ी पुरानी मैंने पढ़ी थी एंड उसके अंदर लाइक वो डिटेल में लिखती है कि जो सऊदी अरेबिया के लोग हैं लाइक द रॉयल फैमिली और उनकी एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली एंड एवरीवन, तो ये किस तरीके से जो है ऑपरेट करते हैं एंड हाउ दे सॉर्ट ऑफ हैव मल्टीपल कॉन्क्यूबाइंस एंड दे हैव मल्टीपल वाइव्स और लाइक छुप छुपा के उस तरह से शादी करने की इनकी ज़रूरत नहीं होती बिकॉज इट्स लाइक सो अलाउड वेयर दे आर बिकॉज एवरीवन's डूइंग इट, so it's like not a big problem for them, you know.
No, it's not a big problem. Lekin this one is not about him marrying. You see, marrying is a different concept. This is about him just being involved, you know. So and I think this is जितना हम देख रहे हैं रिसेंटली जो अरब कंट्रीज हैं उसमें जितनी ज़्यादा फीमेल यू नो प्रोग्रेशन या फेमिनिस्ट मूवमेंट जिस तरह से आती चली जा रही है, आई थिंक दिस इज लाइक अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट इफ यू थिंक अबाउट इट.
यार ऑनेस्टली आई मीन उन्होंने इतने ज़्यादा राइट्स दे दिए हैं कि अब तो लड़कियां हक अपना मांगें कि यार मतलब कि ये सारे बंदे जो हैं इन्होंने जो साइडों पे लाइक सिचुएशनशिप्स क्रिएट की हुई हैं वो तो ख़त्म करें ना.
हाँ, I mean, and the woman just gave birth to a child 2 months back, I guess, 1 or 2 months back. So of course उसको कोई ना कोई postpartum में भी हो जा रही होगी and the guy is not available. So and that does ring a bell. के when we say कि you know the Saudi women are happy, you know हम बहुत ज़्यादा ये हमारा discourse चलता है कि हाँ तो वहाँ पे तो 4 बीवियाँ होती हैं and so on. So it just does tell you कि women are not happy. I mean, would you be happy if I tell you कि तुमने अपना कमरा किसी और के साथ share करना है? Let's just say, right? Nobody is happy. Wardrobe आपने किसी के साथ share करना है. So it's just, it's a personal
तुम
thing.
question इतना ज़्यादा तुम you don't have to censor it. You can just be like, Amna, would you be okay with sharing your husband with like 3 other people?
I'm like,
I have to think about this. I have to think about this information.
No,
Honestly,
I'm
like,
just saying, I don't mind. I don't want you to think so far. I just want you to think about something. कि तुम्हारे कपड़े हैं और 3 और लोग पहने, तो would you like that? It is as simple as that. तुम एक खाने की डिश मंगाओ, वो 4 और लोग खाना शुरू कर दे, तुम्हारे साथ, would you like that? So how can anybody say sharing is it's not जो communal good होता है ना, let's say कि पार्क है, उसमें तो आप sharing कर सकते हैं. You know, streets हैं, उनमें आप कर सकते हैं, सड़कों पे कर सकते हैं, but लाइब्रेरी को आप शेयर कर सकते हैं, but you cannot be sharing.
मैं तुम्हें एक सही बात कहूँ, like honestly, I'm telling this to you from experience. Like, it's very hard dealing with a Pakistani man. It's like very hard. It's super hard. But dealing with a man who's Saudi is, I swear, it's so hard. It is so hard. It's not even funny because their superiority complex is so fine tuned into their system that they cannot. I don't think they have a personality besides having an ego. If you've ever been with a Saudi man,
I disagree here. यार पाकिस्तानी मर्द है ना कोई पैसा है, ना शक्ल है ना अकल, ठीक है? But here, if you look there, उनको at least पैसा.
It doesn't make it any easier. It doesn't clearly. It's not making it any easier for anybody. I'm telling you.
No.
It's so hard.
वो नहीं, अगर आपने दूसरी किसी शादी करके कि आपने मेरे सर के ऊपर लाके यहीं पे बैठानी है सब चीजें आपकी जो है, तो that does not really add up. मतलब कि वो जो शेप होगा वो एटलीस्ट अपनी बीवी को कहीं अलग तो रखेगा ना, मतलब आउट ऑफ माय हेड. और मैं आई हैव दिस होल रिटेल थेरेपी दैट आई कैन डू फॉर माय सेल्फ. आई हैव बैलेंस है मेरे पास. आई कैन डू सो मच. बट द थिंग हियर इज कि यहाँ पर ना पैसा होगा उसके पास, बस सिर्फ एक यही होगा कि बस मैं शादी पे शादी चली चले जाऊँ.
I'm not talking just about that. ठीक है, Pakistani men are cheapskates, we know. But the thing is that, like, if you've ever dealt with a Saudi guy, they are so horrifically egotistical. Like, मतलब कि अगर you know उनसे normal भी बात आप करोगे ना, तो वो जो है ना किसी और लेवल पे ही आपको जवाब देंगे कि मतलब कि उनका जवाब ही आपको like it won't. It's not about it being humble or it being like sort of related to the conversation. They're on some other level. Saudi men are very irritating to deal with. They on a normal Saudi guy is annoying. It's not about being a feminist. It's about being like if you've read about them, if you've traveled to the country, then you understand कि औरतें जो है इतनी ज़्यादा औरतें अगर consensually इस बात को protest भी नहीं कर रही कि उनके husband के पास 3-4 और बीवियां हैं. Maybe it's because they know they can't stand being one-on-one with them. You know, I swear, I really feel like if this has never come up in the history of like the socio-anthropology of Saudi Arabia, that okay, I would prefer that this be legal, that only one guy to one woman ratio, and it's never come up. It's never ever been like, maybe we want to change it up a bit. Then probably all the men in that country are like, they're just so horrible to be around that you just need packs of three to survive.
That kind of system.
Yeah, they're just like, malab,
he's too much
do you really want to spend all your time with him, like all of it, like all of the time that you have with this one, really? And then it kind of like, you know, it's like men are hard to deal with. It's who they are. It has nothing to do with any. It's not even. I'm not even trying to be mean. I'm actually trying to be a bit nice. I could be very mean. This is me being nice.
Being very nice, very nice. So, मुझे बताओ कि what do you think about the memes that are coming about though? By the way, the
मतलब
princess, this princess has a major Instagram following. She is, you know, socials के ऊपर she's very very active, and you know एक वो बड़ा उसका एक image है. So and fashion ये वो जो है, I mean she's very well read. She I think उसका जो she's London से कहीं से she's a graduate from somewhere. I mean it's not like कि वो दुनिया में उस जगह से कहीं बाहर नहीं निकली. She's very well exposed.
I don't know what that says about the guy actually, to like let go of such a gorgeous girl. Pata nahi. I mean, it's always, divorce is always a difficult decision to make. The fact that she made it on a very public forum means that she was probably frustrated beyond belief, and she could never ever get any time alone with him. या वो उसको अगर वो बात करती तो वो गैसलाइट करना शुरू कर देता. लड़कियां यूजुअली बहुत पब्लिक तब हो जाती हैं जब अकेले में लड़का उनको बहुत ज्यादा गैसलाइट कर देता है.
You're getting there. Excellent.
या when a guy, जब आप लड़की से कम्युनिकेट करने की कोशिश करते हो, वो आपको बहुत गैसलाइट करता है ना, फिर आप जो है ना सबसे जाके कह देते हो कि ये तो ये है, ये तो
But
ये
मुझे
हुआ था.
ऐसा भी फील होता है कि that I mean when the conversation is over, it's dusted, right? So then you put it up there. So maybe it's an announcement to the world, not just to the. I don't know वो कितना unavailable होगा भाई. कि I mean एक WhatsApp का, I mean दुबई में तो by the way WhatsApp के messages तो चलते होंगे, but they do use I don't know Telegram, Signal ये वो और जो apps
They use Bottom, and he could be
Yeah.
pretty busy. I mean, they have a lot of money, so they can take a lot of vacations, and they can like, I don't know. And the way that she said companions, I don't know. I feel like she was over all the stages of grief. I felt
I know.
really bad for her the way she said that. The way she said that
Yeah.
you're busy with your other companions, and it felt like he'd probably like been so awful to her that she had just she had compromised on a part of her sense of empathy or sympathy or just being a human being, just to give this message to the world that she is done with this guy.
वो
You know?
stages of separation होती हैं ना, उसमें she's passed all of those. The denial ये वो जो था ना, वो सब कुछ उसका खत्म हो चुका है, and then she's just, you know.
I think we should send her a cake, Shizar, congratulating her for the breakup only. What do you think? That would be a good idea. We should send her a cake congratulating her for her breakup and being like, girl, you go. You're going to do something better with your life now that guy's out of it.
Yeah, I'm sure. Of course. I don't know, but the other thing is that Dubai mein, I think Dubai has like UAE mein, there's a lot more freedom to women as compared to Saudi, right?
I think अब equal हो गई है काफी हद तक. Saudi Arabia is very open now. Saudi Arabia में कम जगहें हैं explore करने के लिए because it's just starting off, but the laws and regulations and the dress code, everything is like same.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
But when you look at the message is more, it's so heart-wrenching to see. I mean, the girl, I mean, you wouldn't put companion and your ex-wife. I mean, she's, you know, she's being humorous, yet she's very heartbroken as well, right?
I mean, it's like, Shiza, पता नहीं, मतलब heartbreak में ऐसे ही होता है, I guess. I think this is still a better way to deal with it. At least उसने अपनी सारी details तो नहीं दी. मतलब I don't know कि उस बंदे ने उसके साथ क्या क्या किया हुआ है, but obviously like कभी-कभी बेहिस इंसान से डील करने के लिए you have to be a little bit unemotional as well. Yeah. In order to deal with an unemotional person, and men can be unreasonably unemotional to a point where it's like, you know, it's never been like women have denied that men's perspective is false in terms of, you know, okay, how hard they work, what effort they bring into, you know, being a man themselves, like in terms of, you know, being somebody who's more stoic, who's more serious, who's more focused, who's like, you know, like kind of having the state of mind that it takes to earn a living. बट एक औरत होने के लिए दे यूजुअली देव काइंड ऑफ हॉस्टिलिटी इतनी उनकी अगेंस्ट हो गई है ऑन बीइंग एन औरत इन टर्म्स ऑफ like dude, obviously we're emotional, we have the biological like mechanism to give birth, it takes more emotions to raise a child and to prioritize somebody more than yourself. So yes, our body, our physiology is a little bit more emotional. You can't just gaslight us into believing that that part of us is like something to be ashamed of or something to feel guilty about.
You're right. You're right. You're right. I get that. I think on that note, let's just end it here. Please do write to us and let us know what do you think about the Instagram divorce. How far does it go? And what do you think about the message that the princess is trying to give out? With that, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Stay tuned.